This is code.org. I'm working on the Computer Science or CS Discoveries course. I'm currently on Unit 2, which is Web Development, and I'm on Lesson 13, Part 9, Spring Class. Now that your winter class is ready, you can start on the other seasons. Find the empty CSS rule set in the style sheet that gives the spring words their style. Okay, so if I look here in the HTML, I can realize, oh, style.css is the file that we need. And then I'm going to look for spring. Oh, it's empty. Add two rules. One to give the text your spring color from the earlier lesson, and another to give text a font size or decoration. Add a spring class to the spring elements. Okay, I'm first going to do that spring class. And to do that spring class, I am going to click over here, back onto our HTML, and I need to go way down to, what's in our spring class? I bet they want, oh, right here. So to add it to the HTML, because it has to be in the HTML and the CSS, you're going to write class equals, and then in quotes, I'm just going to write the word spring. Okay? And you want to do that for each one of these. So I'm going to be lazy and do copy, and then space, Control V. Okay? Control V for paste. Oops. Paste, Control V. Paste, Control V. Paste, Control V. And I think we got our class added. So now let's go back to our style. And we have .spring, so we already have that part of it. I'm going to go ahead and add the text color. And then I think we'll be done. We can also add some other elements, so I might do that as well. But let's start with text color. Okay, so I'm just going to do color hyphen RGB and then add my color, which I think was 0, 128, 7, I think. Color. And so I thought that was springy. Maybe I wanted a bit lighter. But that's kind of up to you. Nice and green though, regardless. So, great. Color, and I'm actually going to be fancy and add a font family, monospace. I'll add one text decoration and then move on.